how to fix Battlefield 6 audio not working problem. To do this, we go to the search section and open Control Panel. After opening Control Panel, click on Hardware and Sound and then Sound. We right-click our active playback device and open Properties. After opening Properties, click Advanced from the top. Here, what we need to do is set default format to 44100 Hz CD quality. After doing this, click Apply and OK. Now you can check whether the Battlefield 6 audio not working problem is solved or not.